Hello students, tell me, when you are hungry, what you do? We eat food. So today in our EVS lesson, we are going to learn more about food. In the lesson, the food we eat. In this lesson, we are going to cover up the food we get from plants, the food we get from animals, and food eaten by people depending upon the region they live in. So let's get started. Lesson number 4, the food we eat. In this lesson, we are going to do food we get from plants, food we get from animals, and the food eaten by people depending upon the region they live in. So let's study seeing the textbook. Chapter 4, the food we eat. Now tell me students, why do we eat food? We eat food to grow, to get energy for work, and to remain healthy. Now first I'll explain the lesson with the help of the pictures. See, basically students, we get food from plants and animals. Okay, for this I'll show you first few pictures, then I'll explain. See, whatever we are eating students, everything comes from plants or animals only. Now you can see the ridge gourd, we say turai, turia. Then fruit like watermelon, it is grown on plants. Then squash, we say no, bhopla, radish, then capsicum, then a variety of cucumber, brinjal, you can see. Then bottle gourd, dudi, cabbage. So these are all growing on plants only. Chilies, then beans, these beans are known as pulses. Then chana, gram, we say gram in English for chana. You can see the chickpeas, gram. You may be eating this. Yes. Then pea, matar. You can see the beans, other type of beans. Then students, I'll show you some other photos of the grains. Whatever grains we are using for making chapatis, rice. Maharashtrian people make bhakri out of rice bhakar, and we eat rice also with dal. Then this is wheat, and you can see the wheat, this corn, then corn, we say makai in Hindi. Then this is jawari bhakar. This is wheat chapatis. Everything what we eat we get from plants only. This is bajra. This is jawari, we get from plants. This is nachni. Martian people eat this, they make bhakris out of this nachni. And this is bajra. Then we get all types of dals from plants only. So you can see different types of dals: masoor dal, tur dal, kidney beans, chickpeas. Yes. See, here also different varieties of dals are there. These are all pulses: mung, masoor, tur, chana, and urid dal. This is also urid dal. So we get from plants. So I showed you the pictures. Here they have shown wheat. Wheat grows from plants. Rice grows from plants. Maize means that makai, corn, we get from plant. Pea, I showed you that pea, matar, we get from plants. Gram, chana, we get from plants. Beans, all types of dals and all we get from beans. Means all the types of dals comes under beans. Now we get milk from cow. This is animal. We get from hen eggs and meat. Then from goat we get milk also and meat also. From fish we eat fish. Okay, the meat of fish. Now next page. One more thing is there, that people eat food from plants that grow in the neighboring areas. Now whichever area they are living, so whichever plants are growing in that area, people eat that only. For example, in North India, when you go to North India, there more of wheat is there grown. गेहूँ ज़्यादा उगता है, so people eat more of wheat chapatis. Then in South India, people eat more of rice because rice is grown more there. Then people in Rajasthan, they eat more wheat, jawar and bajra because that is grown more. And people near the sea coast means near the sea, the people those who are living near the sea, so they eat lot of fish because they can get more fish there. And rice is also grown more, so they mostly eat rice and fish. Okay, so now let's start the lesson by reading. We all need to eat food. We eat food to grow. We eat food to get energy for work. We also eat food to remain healthy. So basically we eat food to grow, to get energy for work and to remain healthy. Now from where do we get these food? We get our food from plants and animals. We get food grains from plants. All types of food grains we get from plants. Plants gives us cereals like wheat, rice and corn. I showed you that wheat, rice and corn, they are known as cereals. Once again I'll show you. All these are known as cereals. Rice, wheat, corn, this is all known as cereals. Jawari, nachni. These comes under the category cereals. We also get pulses like peas, gram, and dals. So they are known as peas, gram, and dals are known as pulses. So all types of dals are known as pulses. So basically there are two categories, cereals and pulses. Like we eat no dal, rice. Dal is pulses and rice is cereal. And chapati we are eating, it is all made from cereals. Again I'll just show the pictures of the pulses. See here, all types of dals, whichever types dal you are eating, it all comes under pulses. Here see masoor dal, tur dal, urad dal, moong dal, chana dal. So all comes under pulses. Fine. We get milk, eggs and meat from animals. Look at the pictures and write what each one gives us. So cow gives us milk, hen gives us eggs and meat, goat gives us meat and milk, fish gives us meat. People who 1 minute, I'll show you this also, picture of this. See the food we get from animals: chicken, fish, meat, milk, cheese. Cheese is made from milk only. Sausages, it is made from meat. Bacon, it is made from meat only of different animals like the pork, pig. And eggs we get from animals. You can see this: chicken meat and eggs we get from chicken. People who eat meat and eggs are non-vegetarians. So the people, those who are eating meat and eggs, they are known as non-vegetarian. And the people, those who don't eat all meat and eggs, are known as vegetarian. Means vegetarian people only eat food that comes from plants, and they drink milk also. Now this you have to do: are you a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian? This should be your answer, because I cannot say the answer for this. Name a few of your favorite items. This also is homework. What is your favorite food item? You have to write it. Now people eat food from plants that grow in their neighboring areas. The food plants that grow in a place depend on the type of soil and climate there. Now everything depends upon the like people eat food from plants that grow in their neighboring areas. Whatever is growing in their area, they eat that particular type of food only. Now for example, people from South India, they eat more of rice, because rice has grown there. They will not eat wheat. They will eat wheat sometimes only, but most of the time they will eat rice, because rice is grown there. More rice is grown. And in North India, there people are eating more of wheat, because wheat is grown. They don't eat much of rice. So, and people in Rajasthan also, they eat more of wheat, jawar and bajra, because in their area, in their region, more of wheat, jawar and bajra is grown. Rice is not grown much, because for rice requires lot of water, but in Rajasthan it is too dry. Okay, there is a lot of scarcity of water. And whatever plants are growing, the plant it depends upon the soil and the climate there. How is the climate? If it is very hot, certain plants only will grow there. But if it is very cold, for example in Kashmir, hilly area, very cold area, only apples are famous there because apple require cold climate. So it all depends upon region to region which plants will grow. People living in North India eat chapatis made from wheat. People in the eastern and southern part of India eat rice. So eastern part means I showed you in the last video the map of India. Uh, the easternmost states of India, like the West Bengal, Orissa, it is near to sea. So more they eat consume more of rice. People in Rajasthan eat wheat, jawar, and bajra. People living near the sea coast eat a lot of fish. I'll just show the pictures of some food items. See, you can see South Indian thali. There they eat lot of rice, and whatever food is grown there, they eat those things more. Like banana is also grown more there, so they eat lot of banana also, banana bhaji and all. This is North Indian thali. They eat wheat chapatis. Okay. Then this is from this is from eastern. Sorry, Rajasthan thali. You can see dal bati, bajra rotla. Okay. Now, which part of India do you live in? We live in Maharashtra. So, you have to write that. Which is the chief food of people in your neighborhood? This you have to write because whatever your neighbors, like your neighbors Maharashtrian, so what they are eating. Some neighbors like Bengali, so what they are eating. So you have to write that here. Now, people also like to eat many special sweets. Tick the ones you like to eat. Now this is gulab jamun. If you like, put a tick here. Rasgulla, if you like, put a tick. Jalebi, it is up to you. You like or no, you put a right if you like it. This is barfi, white barfi and chocolate barfi. So you can put a tick for all also, or whatever you like. So students, we have today covered the food we get from plants and animals. Okay, and which type of food people from different region eat. Now we'll do the exercise. Complete the sentence. We need food to dash. We need food to grow, to get energy for work, and to remain healthy. Okay, if we eat food, we get energy, power, we'll get the takat to work and to remain healthy. Two sources of food are, from where do we get food? We get food from plants and animals. From plants and animals. The kind of food plant that grow in a place depends on the type of soil and the climate there. So I have explained that the kind of food that grows in a place depends on the type of soil or what type of soil. For example, in Gujarat, the soil is black, means matti is black, and there more groundnut is grown. So people from that region eat more of groundnut oil because more groundnut is grown there. North India, more of rice grown, rye, mustard. So people in North India eat mustard oil more, and in South India more of coconut is grown, so they eat coconut oil more. So it is like the place, what is growing in that particular place, people eat that only. So soil and climate affects the growth of the plants. Now when you go in higher class, you will learn more about this thing. Now vegetarians are people who eat food grown on plants. So who are vegetarian? Those who are only eating food from whatever food we get from plants. Now name the following two cereals. I showed you cereal, two cereal, wheat and rice. Then two pulses, tur and masoor, tur dal and masoor dal. An animal that gives us milk. Who gives us milk? Cow. An animal that gives us meat. 1 minute. An animal that gives us milk. Who's giving? Cow is giving milk. An animal that gives us meat. Who gives us meat? Goat gives also, and even hen also gives. But here only one is asked, so we are writing one. You can, but you should have the knowledge of other animals also. An animal that gives us eggs. Who gives us eggs? Hen. There are other people from other countries, they eat other animal egg also, like a duck egg also people eat, like that. People do not eat meat, who do not eat meat are known as vegetarians. Now write true or false for each statement. I'm always telling you, please check the spelling of true and false when you're writing here. You can see from the questions and write. Don't make silly mistakes in exams. We eat food to get energy. So why we are eating food? To get energy. So it's true. We get our food only from plants. Do we get food only from plants? No. We get from both plants and animals. So whatever is written is false. Dal is a cereal. Dal is a cereal? No. Dal is pulses. So this is false. All places grow the same kind of plants for food. Everywhere, North India, South India, East India and West India, everywhere same types of plants grow? No. So it's false. Rice is popular in South India. So in South India, it is near to sea. So more of rice is grown. So it's true. Fish is common in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, is there any sea there? No. So, and where does fish lives? In sea of water. So this is wrong. In fact, in Rajasthan, there is so much scarcity of water. No water, dryness. So it's false. The statement is wrong. So false. Okay. Now some extra knowledge. See students, there are three types of foods. Whatever food we are eating, in it is having, there are three types. It is categorized into three types: energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. Protective food means protect us from illness. Now for energy giving food, if we want more of energy, we should eat rice, potato, butter and other vegetables also. But these are few examples. That is why when we are eating every day, we are eating chapatis, we are eating rice, isn't it? And then we are eating dals also. But let's see, bodybuilding food. If we eat pulses, all types of dals, our body builds. For example, you can eat all type of dals, meat, fish, eggs, and you have to drink milk to for making your teeth strong and bones strong. Then protective food which prevents us from illness. For this we need to eat fruits and vegetables, that is apples, carrots, spinach. So basically in school also we are telling all the children that you should eat all types of food. Don't say no for any food, because all the types of food is having their own importance. When we eat rice, it is having its own benefits. Benefit means faida. So rice, dal, vegetables, fruits. Some children, what they do, they avoid certain types of food. They don't want to eat for certain types of bhaji. They say no, I don't want to eat. But that is wrong. You should eat all types of vegetables, all uh, types of fruits. Okay, if you are a vegetarian, and if you are a non-vegetarian, you can eat everything. Plant food that comes from plants, and food that comes from animals. Okay, now since students we have learned the lesson, the food we eat, from this we will learn some value also. And what are the values? Let's see. So the value is, we should always prefer healthy food rather than junk food or fast food. I always go on telling students that all bring only homemade food, because homemade food is always healthy option, and junk food or fast food you should avoid. Only sometimes you can have it on special occasions like birthdays, your parents' birthday or anniversary. Okay, or some, if you're going to some marriage, weddings, there you can enjoy. But every day make it a habit of eating only homemade food items only, because that is uh, very healthy, because all pure things are there. Mummy is using good oil, then mummy is washing the vegetables and preparing food, or whatever. If she is preparing non-veg also, she will take care of all the things and prepare the food, and the love of mummy's hand is there in the food. So always try to eat homemade food. If you develop that habit, you will never fall sick. Avoid the habit of eating from outside every now and then. Sometimes it's okay. Okay, hope so you have understood the lesson. Thank you students.